On the menu today, we're going to be doing a lamb and eggplant stew with tomatoes and rosemary. There are very few ingredients in this. It takes a little while to cook, but it's absolutely beautiful. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients we're going to use today. So I've got one decent size eggplant there, and I've cut it into nice kind of chunky pieces, nice and big. 1 can of tomatoes, that's a 400 ml regular size. I've got 2 kg here of lamb or mutton. There's bone in there and there's a bit of fat in it. It's a kind of stewing type meat. Some fresh rosemary, 1 onion again, which is quite chunky cut, 100 grams of tomato paste, tablespoon of garlic. We're going to add some salt, pepper. I'm also going to add some vegetable stock to this. It is beautiful and simple. So I've got a large pan here, a saucepan here. You're going to need a lid as well. In there I've got some olive oil. We're going to drop in our lamb. We're on a medium heat, by the way. And as you can see, we've got some bone in there, a little bit of fat. Not the best quality of lamb, but perfect for this. I want to add some salt, some black pepper, and then we're going to just cook this on a medium heat for about 6 minutes just to get it on its way. We're going to go through a process where we're going to get it super tender. Medium heat, 6 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. So about 6 minutes on the medium heat, and what we've done is get a nice little bit of colour onto it. What I'm going to do now is add some stock. I've got here 400 ml of beef stock. You could be using chicken or vegetable stock if you wanted. Now stay on this medium heat again and let that go for about 8 or 9 minutes. And that's going to really help tenderize and get this beautifully soft. I'll see you then. Fantastic. Next up, we're going to drop in that 1 onion. We're going to drop in that 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. We're going to add some fresh rosemary. You can use dried rosemary if you don't have fresh. Fresh is obviously better for this. We're now going to add in our eggplant. Chunky cut, nice and thick. We're going to add 1 can of tomatoes. These are a whole plum tomato. We're going to add that 100 grams of tomato paste. And then I'm going to add some water. If you wanted, you could add some more stock, but I'm going to go another 400 ml there. So on a medium heat, right? We're going to pop a lid on this. And we're going to let it go now for about 20 minutes. And we'll come back and take a look then. Once we've given it this little stir here, there's no need to touch it. Let me grab the lid. See you in 20 minutes. Okay, so that's about 20 minutes. Let's jump in and have a look. That is looking spectacular. What we want to do now is turn the heat down, not to a simmer, but just above a simmer. And with the lid off, let it go for about another 10 minutes. Let it steam out a little bit. That's fabulous. Off goes the heat. As you can see, that's reduced down beautifully. It's nice and deep, rich, and very tasty. Check it for salt and pepper. I've checked it already for me. It's great. Let me get that in a bowl. And that's it. Beautiful. Very few ingredients. Takes a little while to cook, of course, but absolutely delicious. Great with some pasta, with some rice, or some just, some bread or something like that. Hope you enjoy that. Please do subscribe to our channel. Please give the video a thumbs up. And please do leave us a comment. We really do like to hear from you. Hope you're well. Keep safe. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you very much for taking time to watch our cooking videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Lots going on. We've got a new vegan channel, which we're trying to promote at the moment. Just 100% vegan, so please check that out. Chef June has started his own Filipino cooking channel. He's still going to be appearing here with me on How to Cook Great, but he started his own one. And we've got Rahel, who's doing great stuff on her Amharic or Ethiopian cooking channel. So if you're into either of those things or those three things, please check them out. The links might pop up here or they'll be down below. If you'd like to support the channel, which I really do hope you do, you can by buying us a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. Just follow the link, PayPal or whatever it is. Really, really would help us if you do that. I think that's about it. We're doing fine. We hope you're well. Subscribe to us. That helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up. We do like that. And more importantly, please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you and see what you're up to. That's it. Be safe. Be well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.